Hello and welcome to the next tutorial in your pencil case project. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to sew a blanket stitch. And this is used to secure two pieces of material together around the edge to make a nice little pocket for us today. So in this video I will be teaching you how to do a blanket stitch. A blanket stitch is a great stitch for edging, so joining two pieces of fabric together. Either the same fabric to make a fold, or two different pieces of fabric to make a pocket. Okay, so here I am all ready to go. I've got my fabric ready, it's folded, and it's in place. Now I'm going to make sure it doesn't move at all, I'm going to secure this fabric with a little pin. Okay, this is optional, you don't have to do that, but it's just going to stop my two pieces of felt from moving. So that's something to bear in mind. Now I have my needle, it's nice and safe in its rubber, and on the end I have a knot. Now to start our blanket stitch, what you want to do is start at the closed end, and instead of going all the way through both, for this first stitch only, you're going to want to come in between and out. So work out how far down you want your stitch and pull. All this does is hide the knot inside the fabric. So can you see it there? It's going to tuck away and it now can't be seen. Then you go back round the other side of your fabric and try and go through that hole and come out at the same point and pull your fabric through. Kind of got stuck there. Okay, there we go. Pull your fabric through. Now don't pull it all the way tight. With a blanket stitch you want to leave a tiny loop. Okay, the other thing that's important is you know your back and your front side, because once you've got a loop there and you're through the front, you're going to take your needle, go from the front backwards through this hole and pull and keep pulling and pull it tight. Then you're going to go from back through both pieces of material to the front, pull until you've got a loop, then go from the front to the back and pull. Give it a gentle tug, don't pull it too hard. Remember to straighten out your knots. Let's do a few more of those. So back, front, from the back. Remember about spacing, so we're going to want to go there, through the front, pull, but leave a loop. I've pulled too far, so I'm going to leave my loop, and then from the front to the back, through the loop, and pull tight. Do a couple more. So there, from the back through to the front, pull, pull until you leave a loop, and then from the front through the loop and pull sure it doesn't get caught up on that needle, and pull. So there are your blanket stitches. Back to front, leave a loop, front to back through the loop, and give it a gentle tug. And you should be able to follow that pattern all the way along, nice even spaces, until you get to the end. Okay, I'm now going to show you how to close the blanket stitch. So I'm almost at the end. Just got another couple of stitches to do. So through, get the loop, push it through, and to the back, and one more. I think will be enough, and push it through, and give it a tug. Now what you want to do, I'm at the back now, so I want to go through the back, a bit like we did at the start. Go through the back. Okay, so we're inside now. If you can see here, we've got inside, we've got the stitches running, and they're looser here because we're able to pull them apart a bit. So I'm going to go with my needle on the inside, remember, ignore that, that's a little tail where I made a mistake. I'm going to go through a couple of these stitches and come through, and then go through the knot once, go through the knot twice, and give it a pull. And it's all tight on the inside now, so I can snip it with my scissors, tuck it back inside, and there we've got our two ends of our blanket stitch. We've made a nice little pocket there with our decorative blanket stitch. You can see how nice that looks running along the top. You might have to pull it a bit, give it a bit of a tug, but there it is running along the top, and there's our other one running along the top. So there's our blanket stitch.